Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share some of my favorite Smokey eye makeup look. If you are interested to learn professional makeup looks, professional eye makeup look and professional bridal makeup looks, then please subscribe to my channel because my channel is all about professional makeup tutorials. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to share my kind of makeup look which I'm going to share in this video, and you can definitely pair this makeup look with any of your outfits and with any of your bridal lehengas, and it's a very stunning and gorgeous makeup look and it looks high-end. But we are going to recreate this makeup look with affordable makeup products. So if you are interested to learn, then please keep on watching because I'm going to share full face of this makeup tutorial in this video. So be sure like, subscribe and share, and now let's get started. So firstly you have to moisturize your face. Obviously I'm going to use my Nivea moisturizer and my La Belle lip balm. It's a highly recommendation, and moreover if you have any kind of hair on your face, you can definitely do wax, and you can definitely shave your face. So that is totally up to you. If you want to trim them, you can definitely go with that as well. I'm just going to apply a generous amount of this moisturizer because my skin is very patchy and dry and flaky just because of the weather and the environment in Dubai. So it's very cold. Yeah, so in cold days my skin gets very dry, so that is why I need a very intense moisturization. So I always use this one, and it's highly recommended from my side because I always use this moisturizer in my every video. So yeah, so my moisturization and my lip balm is done. Next you have to move on primer. I'm not going to use any kind of primer because my skin is very acne prone skin, so I'm not going to use any primer. So for next I'm going to use this Illuminati base from Mars Cosmetics. It's a very nice product for bridal base and any kind of functions and parties. You have to use this Illuminati base to give your makeup very shiny, smooth, blending, because it's a very nice, and it has a very nice reflections, multi-chrome reflections. So highly recommend Illuminati base, or any liquid highlighter you can definitely use underneath your foundation or mix it with your foundation. So that is totally up to you what you have to do. Okay, so I am the shade number 01 Gold Beam. So first you have to shake it really well to just mix every pigment together to get that a flawless smooth base. And it does not have any kind of glitter particles, so which is a great thing. So it is a little bit yellow tint, so it is good for all skin types. So highly recommend this product, and a little goes a very long way, so you have to take a very tiniest amount of it because it's very nice and beautiful. See, this is how it just makes your skin luminous. So it's a very nice product. See, look at this one. Oh my god, it's so good. Look at this side and look at this side. So highly recommend for bridal makeup base. Okay, now let's move on to the foundation. For foundation I'm going to use this Charmesi Milano foundation. This is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is how the inner tube looks like, and I am the shade number 02, and it's a matte foundation, and this is how the packaging looks like. It's a very white foundation, so it doesn't suit to my skin. You can definitely see it's quite white, this one. But with this one I'm going to use this, my all-time favorite Forever 52 concealer, and this one is too dark for me because it's quite orange undertone. So I'm just going to mix these two, and I'm going to make my own perfect match, like this much amount, and mix these together. See, now this is my perfect match. And to blend this foundation I'm going to use this Mars Cosmetics brush. First I'm just going to buff it out. My contouring is done and I'm loving this contouring. So next I'm going to use Recode Cosmetics Cream Blusher in the shade Number Goose Bum. So it's a mauve kind of a shade and I am in love with this shade. I'm going to use a very specific amount on a specific area like this one. If you need a very enhancement and snatched look, make sure to use less product, okay, less product on specific points and blend very specifically, so it will give you that highly snatched look. Okay, next I'm going to use this brush from Mars Cosmetics. I'm just going to blend it only over here. I'm not going over here or over here because I need that very specific blushy cheeks. Okay, see, look at this lift. Next for concealer, I'm going to use this HR concealer in the shade number 02. It's my OG and my favorite concealer, so highly recommend this concealer. It's my all time favorite and it's my highlighting concealer, and my skin tone concealer is 01. Sorry, my highlighting concealer is 01 and 02 and my skin tone color is 03. Okay, so you can definitely invest in this concealer also because it's so amazing, so good. I'm just going to curve down over here as well to give that snatched look. See, again I'm going to use this brush and I'm going to blend it first over here, then my cupid's bow, then my chin, then my nose, then my forehead, and then my under eyes, and this one. Okay, so for the eyeshadows I'm going to use here these two palettes. This is from Mars Cosmetics and this is the I forgot the name, sorry, from K Beauty. So I'm going to use these two palettes and this is a very affordable palette. It's a very amazing palette. It is like super blendable, super pigmented, you can just see over here. And yeah, I love this one so much, definitely recommend it from my side. This one is also good. For the transition shades I'm going to use this palette. First I'm going to use this shade to set my entire eyelid to avoid creasing. Shades are super duper blendable and easy to work. See, it's a very pigmented shade. And I'm also going to take the shade on my lower lash line to just avoid creasing and give my shades a really fine blending. So next I'm going to use this shade. It's a kind of a normal medium, you know, mauve brown color on my, so I'm just going to blend it over here and touching all the edges of my eyebrows, like medium, this outer corner, this middle one, and this outer one. I'm just going to blend it really fine. Next I'm going to use this shade. It's a little bit of warm tone, but it's also a cool tone color, cool tone brown color. I'm going to use this shade and going to apply it over here. Like on this color, and going to blend it on my crease line as well. Next I'm going to use this fluffy flat brush and I'm going to use this color as my base of this black shadow. Next I'm going to use this eyeliner. I'm going to take a very 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 generous amount of this. And taking the black color from this palette, tap the color, taking this same shade, and I'm going to rebuild it on my crease line again. Taking the same brown color on my lower lash line, and I'm also going to apply this eyeliner on my lower lash line. Up till right here. I'm not going too much, and I'm not going near my tear dot. I'm just taking it up till right here. Going to take the same black color and smudge it out. Next, I'm going to use this black color from Mars Cosmetics. So next again I'm going to use this palette, and my goal for this palette is to finish it up, because you know it's almost half done now, half is left, and my goal is like I want to reach my goal, so that is why I always use this palette. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the translucent powders and just dust off all the fallout. And next also I'm going to use this bronzer shade to bronze my face. At the end we will move on to our eyes. Okay, so my first bronzer is done, and next I'm going to take this bronzer from Esfa color, and I'm going to brown tour really well. And next let's move on to the blush on. Same blush on I'm going to use from this palette is this one and this one. I'm just going to blend this over here, like on my higher points of my cheeks. So now let's move on to the eyes again. Next I'm going to use this palette from Forever 52, and I'm going to use a shimmer from this palette. Is this one, like this shimmer. It's a kind of a yellow golden green kind of a shift. I'm just going to pat it here. This palette is everything. Just look at that. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. This is the expensive palette, and now let's come to the affordable version. I'm going to use this Mars Northern Lights in the Pan eyeshadow, and I am in the shade number 01. So this is how the shift looks like. Okay, I'm just going to take this shade and going to tap it all over. The this is very pigmented. So this is your second look. I just love this look so much. Now let's top it with glitters, and that is a third look. Okay, and I'm going to use this mauve glitter. See, this glitter is so gorgeous. I'm just going to tap it like this. So this is the third makeup look with eyelashes. I just love this makeup so much. And next I'm going to use this highlighter from Glam 21. What I'm going to apply it over here. And I need my focus on my highlighter as well and on my eyes as well. And next for my lip color, I'm going to use this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. And it's a very old shade. I don't know if it is available or not, but today I'm going to use this shade. So this is the final finish makeup look. You can definitely see my eyes are looking stunning and very blinging. So I just love this makeup look so much, and just look at my base. It is looking so stunning and totally matching my skin tone. And this makeup look is like so versatile, so wearable, and you can definitely leave it without duochrome and without glitter if you need a very subtle hot sexy makeup look. So you can definitely go with that, and you can definitely switch up the colors as according to your dress and elves and as according to your preference. Okay, so I'm loving and very confident about this makeup look because it is looking very gorgeous in real life as well, and even on the camera. So if you want to learn more and more makeup looks like these, then please keep on watching, because my channel is all about professional makeup looks like these. So yeah, if you want to learn more and more, be sure to be a part of my family. So till then, take care.